Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct a computer class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is revision class. So look here, this is our second revision class. So look, in our revision class we revise MCQ 12 to 22. So look here, MCQ 12 to 22 in our second revision class. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 15 and is number 12 in our revision class or in our annual term syllabus. Okay, dear learners, in our first revision class we revised MCQ number 1 to 11. I repeat, in our first revision class we revised MCQ 1 to 11, and inshallah in our second revision class we have MCQ 12 to 22. So let's go to board. So look here, it is written also MCQ 12 to 22 in our second revision class. So dear learners, look here, multiple choice questions. MCQ number 12 in MS Word, Microsoft Word. Retrieving a document means, retrieving means to get the document again. Retrieving means to get the document again. So look, I have given here 4 options. You normally know this, that in our MCQ there are 4 options. In MS Word, retrieving a document means finding a lost document, finding a document that has been saved earlier. C, opening a new document. D, finding a document that has not been saved. So dear learners, look here, look at the word retrieving. Retrieving means to get the document which you have received or you have, so look here, you have saved. That means option number B is the proper answer. Retrieving means finding a document that has been saved earlier. Now MCQ number 13, a document in MS Word can be, so look, a document in MS Word can be a letter, yes we can consider, an essay, yes we can consider, C number a poem, yes we can consider, and D number any of these. So look here, that means a document in MS Word can be a letter, an essay, a poem, that means D number any of these. Now number 14, which option is not contained in office button? So look here, which option is not contained in office button of MS Word 2019. So look here, which option is not contained in office button of MS Word 2007? I repeat, it is 2007. So look, A number new, yes we can consider, B number open, yes we can, C number save also. That means these 3 options we are getting in MS Word 2017. Only undo is not getting. So look here, that means only the option number D is not contained in office button of MS Word 2007. That means option number D, undo, is the proper answer. Now number 15, how many tabs are there in ribbon of MS Word 2007? So look, A number 6, B number 7, C number 8 and D number 9. Dear learners, in our book we have learned that in the ribbons of MS Word 2007 there are 7 tabs. There are 7 tabs. Now 16, the status bar of MS Word is located in the dash of the Word window. So look here, the status bar, that means bottom or the lower part. So look here, the status bar of the MS Word is located in the dash of the Word window. Top left, no, we cannot think this. B number bottom, yes we can consider. C number left, no, and D number right, no. That means status bar of the MS Word is located in the bottom of the Word window, bottom of the Word window. Okay. Now 17 number MCQ, which keys pressing is needed along with the alphabet key for typing capital letter in MS Word? So look here, which keys pressing is needed along with the alphabet key for typing capital letters in MS Word? Dear learners, in this connection to have the option number 4, 1 to 4, we need to go to our next page. So look here, it is Alt, B number Control, C Shift and D number Escape. So look here, that means which keys pressing is needed along with the alphabet keys for typing capital letters? Yes, it is shift. The proper answer is shift. That means C number option is the proper answer. Now MCQ number 18. When can we retype a Word file? So look here, when can we retype a Word file? So look here, that means A number after being saved, B number before being saved, no. At the time of the typing, none of that file, none of this. So dear learners, look here, when can we retype? That means when can we get a file? We can get a file when it will be saved. That means option number A, after being saved, is the proper answer. After being saved is the proper answer. Now MCQ number 19. What is called the area where we can type in MS Word application? So look at properly. What is called the area where we can type in MS Word application? A, space bar, B number work area, C, print area, D number A and B. So dear learners, look at what is called the area where we can type in MS Word application. It is called work area. That means option number B is the appropriate answer. Work area. Now MCQ number 20. So look, which of these will move the turtle towards the bottom of the screen by 20 steps? By 20 steps. Look at properly. 20 steps. Look at the keywords. Which of these will move the turtle towards the bottom of the screen by 20 steps? So look, A number back 20, B number back 20. So have you seen that means here there is no space, back, that means together it is 20. Here it is back space 20. Here C number forward 20, that means FD 20. So look here, dear learners, it is written bottom. Bottom is the significant point here. That means back. So look here, it will be back 20. That means option number B is the proper answer. Whenever it will be written bottom, that means you will write back. Whenever it will be written forward or upward, you will write up forward. So look, it is now, I think it is clear to you. Bottom 20 steps, it will be back 20. Now 21 number MCQ. How many RT90 commands will have the same effect as a write 360 commands? So that means if we multiply 90 multiply 4, the proper answer will be 6. So look here. So how many? It will be 90. 90 multiply 4. 0, that means 36. So look here, how many? So dear learners, look here, we have multiplied here 90 with 4. The answer is 360. How many here? Here, how many RT90 commands will have the same effect as a write RT360? Answer is 4. So look here, answer is 4. That means D number option is the proper answer. Our last MCQ, look here, in which case will the turtle turned anti-clockwise by a quarter turn? So look here, in which case will the turtle turned anti-clockwise by a quarter turn? It is RT90, RT90, LT90, it is LT90. So dear learners, look, have you seen here? So look here, here there is no space, but here is space, and C number is LT90, it is there is no space, and it is written LT90 and space 90. So look here, in which case will the turtle turn anti-clockwise by a quarter turn? The proper answer is D, it is LT space 90. LT space 90, this is the proper answer. So dear learners, I am telling you again only the answer so that all of my students can easily understand and revise this. So look here, 12th number, it is option number B, finding a document that has been saved earlier. 13 number, a document in MS Word can be any of these. 14 number, which option is not contained in office button of MS Word 2007? D number, undo. How many tabs are there in the ribbons of MS Word 2007? B number 7. 16, the status bar of the MS Word is located the dash of the Word window. Option number B, bottom. 17, which keys pressing is needed along with the alphabet keys for typing capital letter in MS Word? Okay, we will go to next page, it is shift. That means C number option is the proper answer. Number 18 now, how can we retype a Word file? Option A, after being saved. 19 MCQ, what is called the area where we can type in MS Word application? It is option number B, work area. And now MCQ number 20, which of these will move the turtle towards the bottom of the screen? So look here, back by 20 step, it is 20 number, it is option number B, back 20. 21, how many RT90 commands will have the same effect as a RT360 command? Option number D, 4 is the proper answer. Now 22, this is our last MCQ, in which case will the turtle turn anti-clockwise by a quarter turn? It is D number, LT space. So look here, LT space 90. So dear learners, look here, it is our normal activities. So look here, at the end of our board it is written homework. This is our normal activities, it is homework number 12. So look, lecture number 15 and homework number 12, your MCQs is 12 to 16. 12 to 16, how many? Only 5. So look, 12 to 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 will be your SW. At first you will pick up the questions, then the options. Dear learners, in my last class, that means first revision class, I told you, that means whenever you will sit for doing your SW, you will pick up the sentences in MCQ, then the 4 options, then you will give tick which one is the proper answer. This is the proper way to do your SW. Dear learners, I hope all of my students of class 4 have revised all the MCQs number 12 to 22. Finally, abide by your parents' advice, do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.